Megan with WTI, and I absolutely love bringing elements from the outdoors inside my home. And these YANGQIHOME woven placemats are just another perfect way to do that. I personally love the fact that these placemats are completely undyed. They come in a set of 6, which I am really happy about because for me, 6 people is the ideal number to have around the dinner table. They are woven together really well. They are not coming apart at all, and they are super durable. Because of what they're made of and also the thickness of these placemats, I find them great for putting heated dishes on. I've noticed them to be very resistant to the heat, and they also protect the top of my dining room table. I find the size of them to be just right. They really don't overcrowd our dining room table, and our dinner plates also fit on them really well. I think because of their beautiful simplicity, they are really versatile. I feel completely comfortable using them for more of a formal dinner, but they're also great to use for more of a laid-back brunch. I am really impressed by the effortless beauty and functionality of these placemats, and that's my point of view.